Hi guys, this is Stefano from the Affiliate Hustler today with a new video review, and I'm excited about this new video review because it's about a product that of a person that I really like and I really trust, and you should too. And this guy is called no more than Tai Lopez. If you don't know Tai Lopez, you live under a rock. So today I'm going to do a video review plus an inside of his SMA system. Yes, I got a free access so as to show you guys how does the SMA look inside. Yes, but first, before starting this video review, I want to go to the link below. Yes, that because there is a free training on how to start a small SMA business. SMA stands for Social Media Marketing Agency. Yes, how to start a small social media agency and get small businesses to hire you. This is really simple. You will get instant cash flow. Yes. So with that said, let's start. My first, I will try to explain, and I will explain how does a social media agency work. That's why I really encourage you to watch the free training, because Tai and his body that is in his video, yes, which by the way is it's not a body, it's a real person that got results with the social media marketing agency 1.0. Yes, now the video review of the product that I'm doing is the 2.0. Yes, so if the 1.0 really works, imagine the 2.0. Yes, you could be getting instant cash. Yes, just by improving the social media of any restaurant, like a real estate agency, any business you can imagine. You can improve their social media agency. Social media. Sorry. So let's say you are this person. So let's say you are this person, right? Well, let's do like eyes and you know, you are trained, you know how to master social media. You know how to master social media. Yes. You have 5 years of experience. That will not be your case when you start. So let's say you have 2 months of experience and you know how to acquire clients. You know how to acquire clients, right? So you go to this pizza restaurant. Imagine this as a pizza restaurant. Pizza. Yes? It's a pizza restaurant. That's an awful pizza, but you get the gist. So you go in them and you say, for 1 to 10K a month, I will improve your social media and get you more clients. And let's say they say, yeah, heck yeah, and you start improving their social media every month. Obviously this is not that easy. That's why Tai created the system, that you will learn how to acquire clients. Yes, how to acquire clients, how to master social media, because you can't have a social media agency if you don't know how to master social media. They will give you even a script, yes, that you can say to any prospect, so that they will believe you. They will trust more. They will trust you more. Here, as free script, they will give you every script for every situation. And the most important thing, in my opinion, is that they will teach you how to automate all of this. They will teach you how to automate it. And that's where the passive income comes. Yes, how to automate it. So with that said, I will give you the sneak peek that I promised. Yes, the sneak peek is here. So let me access my programs. So here is the system. So here is what the system really looks inside. You have a welcome. You have the phase one is how to set up your business. The phase two is how to master your social media, as I said. The third is how to acquire clients, and they will teach you here. They will teach you the scripts, what you have to say in what moment. Now the automation process, they will teach you even some Facebook ads, and then the rest of the system is just live calls of past clients of SMMA, and they will give you a bonus. And the most important thing is that you can share your process through the community because it has a Facebook group. Yes, so this system is amazing. So if you haven't yet, I will really encourage you to go down below and watch the free training that Tai has for you to how to start an SMMA and get small businesses to hire you. Remember that SMMA stands for Social Media Marketing Agency. Yes, so you will have an agency that improves the social media of any restaurant, real estate agency, anything that you can imagine that has to have clients in order to have money. You can improve the social media so as to get them more clients. Yes, so hope you like this video. I will really obviously also encourage you to go down below and comment, yes, if you have any experience with Tai systems, and remember, yes, to leave any comment if like any opinion in reality on of what you think about the video. Yes, so this was Stefano from the affiliate hustler reporting. Hope you have a nice day.